Let's learn about poetry. Poetry has different purposes. It is a form of writing that is meant to 1. Entertain, 2. Describe, 3. Inform, and 4. Persuade. Okay? To entertain is to provide amusement or enjoyment. Poetry can also describe or give a description. It can also inform, meaning to provide information about something, and lastly, to persuade or convince about an idea. Okay, poetry is a type of literature or artistic writing. It attempts to stir readers' imagination or emotions. The poet does this by carefully choosing and arranging language for its meaning, sound, and rhythm. Some poems, such as nursery rhymes, are simple and humorous. Other poems may try to express some truth about life, to tell a story, or to honor a person or a god. Some features of poetry is that 1. It varies in length, 2. They are written in lines and stanzas, and 3. It uses sound devices such as rhyme, alliteration, and onomatopoeia. Again, poems vary in length. On the top left is a haiku that has 1, 2, 3 lines, and on the right side you have a longer poem, and each part of this poem is divided into stanzas. Here is 1 stanza, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, 5th, and 6th. So it has 6 stanzas. Poems can also have alliteration. If we take a look at the green box, there is a P alliteration here. Alliteration is a repeated consonant sound. So here, if Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? And lastly, on the bottom, we have some onomatopoeias, such as
huh, bang, ouch, boom, clang, whack, swoosh, zap, pow, pow, zap, zap, zap.
So as you can see, onomatopoeias are words that express different sounds. Other features of poetry is that it uses word pictures to create images in your mind. They use sounds of words by rhymes of phrases, and they don't always follow grammar and punctuation rules. Poetry can come in different forms, and they are shape poems, acrostic poems, ballads, and lyrical poems, which both are songs, haikus, narrative poems, which is a form of poetry that tells a story, making use of voices of a narrator and characters, and lastly, free verse, the fun one because there are no rules. And here are some examples of poetry. The acrostic poems uses letters of a word to start each line of a poem. So here we have P-O-E-M for the word poem, and they've made 4 lines out of the 4 letters of poem. Put 3 words on each line, easy if you make it rhyme. We also have haikus, which uses a row of 5, 7, 5 syllables. So the first line, butterflies are cool, should have 5 lines. In the big, huge green forest, 7 syllables. And they fly up so high, 5 syllables again. The whale is an example of a shape poem or an image poem, where they use the shape of the whale to outline where they are going to write the poem. The last poem, called The Road Not Taken, is an example of a lyrical poem where you can actually sing it. Quick check. Write 3 things that you have learned about poetry.